Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Fixmaster. Today, I'm going to show you a crucial process, how to find the token for your Discord account. But remember, never share this with anyone. Otherwise, your account could be at risk of being hacked. First, open your browser and head to Discord.com. Once you're there, click on Open Discord and log in to your Discord account. Now that you're logged in, let's open the developer tools in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. From there, navigate to More Tools, and then select Developer Tools. Once the Developer Tools window is open, look for the top menu bar and click on Application. If you can't see it, there might be an arrow allowing you to scroll right. Click on Application and then, in the left sidebar, find Local Storage under Storage. Click on the arrow next to Discord.com to reveal the options. Great. Now, in the filter search bar, type token to help us locate the specific value we need. When you type token, all the other values should disappear. To make the token visible, click on the toggle device toolbar icon located to the left of the elements. It will enable you to see the token on the right side of your screen. Now that you can see your token, select and copy it. You can paste it wherever you want to save it securely. And there you have it. You've successfully found the token for your Discord account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fixmaster for more tech tutorials.